Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to go about locating your DNS server address on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically, DNS or Domain Name System translate requests for names into IP address, controlling which server an end user will reach when they type a domain name into their web browser. These requests are called queries. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung category, so click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa network and internet, and then i-select mo lang dito yung network and sharing centers, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa network and sharing centers, so locate whatever your network connection type. Okay, so i-select mo lang dito yung ating connection, so click mo lang yan. And pop up itong ating PC status. And then next step, so dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa details ay click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong network connection details. Okay, so makikita mo na dito yung ating DNS server address. Alright, so nandito yung kanyang connections, specific DNS, descriptions, physical address, DHCP, IPv4, and then yung list, and then IPv4 default gateway, and then dito na yung IPv4 DNS server, nandito siya mga kaibigan, and then ito na siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple. And other method na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong control panel, and dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung network and internet, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa network and internet, and then i-select mo lang dito yung properties. Okay, ito siya. So i-click mo lang yan. And then scroll down, and then makikita mo na dito yung IPv4 DNS server address. Okay, so nandito siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to find my DNS server in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.